Hey guys, Justin Newfield from Top Notch Finishing here. All I wanted to show you right now is a slat feature wall. And what's really cool about slat feature walls is it's very easy to hide doors. Right now, I don't know if you can see any. There might be one door, it might be two doors, it might be three doors. So first one pops open like that. We got the Sugatsune latch here. I'll show a close up on that in a second. So that's just kind of for storage, and this is for coats. This door is cut at an angle. And then the third one, I'm just kidding, there's only two. But just gonna show you a close-up of the products that I use. So right here is the Sugatsune push latch. It is very powerful. It has quite a punch for such a little tool. I have a video on my YouTube showing how I installed it in this house, but I just wanted to show it once again. And hopefully they clean this all up, overspray like crazy. I would want this all painted black. It would just make sense. Then I'd put the black covers on, finalize everything, adjust my final adjustment, and that's it. These are the Sugatsune 3-way adjustable hinges, and they are how I hang all of my hidden doors. Just lifting my tripod here. The only real technical part here is those are notched up top, right? Why they're notched is when you push the door in that 1/8, it allows it to compress and still work fully. And so what I mean by that presses in a good amount. Since the door is 8 feet tall, it doesn't need to be super drastic up top because it just needs that kind of flex right in the middle there. But as you can see, boom. That's how I finish that up. Just a simple magnet on this side. And you can see by the fireplace over there, did quite a few slat features.